Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video and tutorial. Hope you're all doing great. Today I'm back to share with you how to make this beautiful and pretty metered granny square blanket. Very easy to make. It is a repetition of 2 rows throughout the blanket. You make it as big as you want. This is a very easy pattern to make for a blanket. At the end of the video, I'll explain how many yarn I used and the size of the blanket. Also, you'll find the written pattern linked in the description box. So for this blanket, I'm using medium worsted yarn and 6.5mm crochet hook. The pattern is very easy, straightforward, and a repetition of 2 rows only. So I'll start with a slip knot and I'm gonna chain 4. I'm gonna make 2 double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. Chain 2, 3 double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. Chain 2, 3 double crochet. Chain 2 and the last 3 double crochet. So we're starting with a normal granny square for 2 rows and later we will shape it into the metered granny square. Join into the 1st chain. Tighten. We're gonna continue with the 2nd row of the granny square, so I'm gonna chain 3 here. And going into the next corner, I'm gonna make 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. I'm gonna repeat that in each and every corner until I'm back to the chain 3. So 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. And back to the starting point, the last chain 2 space. I'm gonna make 3 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet and join to the initial chain 3. So this is 2 rows of the granny square. Now we're gonna shape it into the metered granny square. So the metered granny square is worked in half corner, half side of the granny square, back and forth to give the shape of that pattern. So I'm gonna slip stitch into the chain 2 space where I'm gonna start my work. And slip stitch into the chain 2 space as well. So I'm gonna chain 3 and 2 double crochet in the same space. In the next space, 3 double crochet. In the next corner, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Okay. The next space, 3 double crochet. And this last space where I'm gonna work 3 double crochet only. So this will be the first repetition, is like I said, half side. So here we did 3 double crochet and we started with 3 double crochet. In the corner we will always have 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and also in the small spaces 3 double crochet. The only changing in the rows, alternating between 2 rows, is the beginning and the end. So here we did in this row 3 double crochet, beginning and end. In the next row we'll do chain 3 and we end with double crochet only to create space for the next row where we will do 3 double crochet in each. I'll show you how. So I'm gonna start by chaining 3. And here I'm not gonna work anything, I'll work straight into the space where I'm gonna do 3 double crochet. And in the next space as well. Like we said, in the corner we do 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, always in each and every row. In the next space, 3 double crochet. In the next space, the same thing, 3 double crochet. And here at the end of this row, just 1 double crochet in the last stitch. And here we created a new space for the next row on both sides. So now, like I explained previously, I'm gonna start with chain 3 and 2 double crochet in this space. With a chain 3 makes it 3 double crochet, and I'll continue the same as I have explained, and at the end of the row I'm gonna make 3 double crochet, and then the next row will alternate with chain 3 and ending with a double crochet. I hope it's clear. I'm gonna continue for the entire blanket the same way. If you have any confusion at any time, have a look at the written pattern, which will be linked in the description box. So for this blanket I have used 4 colors, which is the teal blue, turquoise, electrical blue and purple. The upper one is purple. I have used one ball for each one, and for the purple I used 2 balls of yarn. Total of 6. You can go more if you want a bigger one. This is more of a lap gown than a blanket. However, you can make it as big as you want, like I have explained, alternating 2 rows throughout the work. The size is around 83 centimeters. And it's worked half side like I have showed you earlier in the video. So as I said, the written pattern is linked in the description box for more details, and if you have any questions or queries, do not forget to leave it in the comment section. I hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.